Good morning, everyone. Oh God. So today's video is a surprise video. You guys know that I normally don't upload in the middle of the week. However, I decided that I wanted to try vlogging and posting multiple times a week when I do vlog. So today I am going to be getting my shit together because for the past approximately 2 weeks / 14 days, whichever you want to say, this sounds more dramatic, I have not had said shit together. If you can't tell by my voice, I am still a little bit sick, so I will probably be coughing throughout this video. I feel completely fine otherwise, but my throat is just a little bit whack still. Today, I am going to be doing all of the errands and tasks that I have been putting off for the past 2 weeks because I have been sick. So I have a lot to do, and it is the new year, so I want to do more than I would normally do. The first thing I have to do is fix this nail because it literally just flew off for no reason. And then I have to clean my room. I don't even wanna, oh God. Yeah, so that's happening. There's a ring light back there. All my pillows are on the floor. There's random bags of stuff everywhere. So first thing on my agenda is to not wear this because these are literally my pajamas. So I'm gonna change and then I'm gonna stick my nail back on and then kind of take you through the process of me getting my life together today. And this is gonna be hella vlog style because I don't have the patience to film a super high quality video at the moment. I got dressed for today. Here is a better look at what my room is right now. I literally have like, why? Hey Bernard, what's going on? And over here is also a disaster. So we're doing great today. We're doing great. I also need to pick up the living room because that's what we're dealing with. It's not horrible, it just needs to be like picked up, and then I need to clean everything that I have. So I need to clean my bathroom because that's looking pretty crusty right now. There's like face mask particles in the sink and it looks really gross. I think I just want to like vacuum my room and make sure everything's dusted and everything like that. And then I need to run some errands. I want to go back to Ulta because I ran out of my brow pencil this morning, so that was fun. You guys are gonna get a little bit of behind the scenes about Friday's video as well. I am going to be trying on every single item of clothing in my closet. That's gonna honestly be pretty stressful for me because I have a lot of clothes, but I want to make sure that everything that I'm going into 2020 with is something that I'm going to actually wear. But that's kind of the rundown of what's happening today. This is probably gonna be a long ass vlog just because I have a lot to do. I'm sure you guys are probably really confused about Theodore right here. He is a literal 5-foot teddy bear. He's literally as big as me, like, and he sits in the living room because I have nowhere else to put him. Jacob got him for me at Costco for Christmas. So say hi, Theodore. I also remember that I need to take down Christmas. We have like all of our Christmas decorations are gone already. We used to have tinsel around those lights and everything like that. Oh God, I need to throw those away. They're so dead. But our Christmas tree, I don't know what happened to it. It literally is busted. Like, it doesn't freaking work. Like the bottom lights and the middle lights are working, but it's a pre-lit tree and the rest just went out and we don't know why. When I take that down today, I honestly might go to like Michael's or something and see if they still have some Christmas trees that are on like super sale or maybe even Walmart because we need a new Christmas tree. So yeah, I'm just gonna get going. I keep talking because I keep procrastinating. So the first thing I'm gonna do is strip my bed and put all of the clothes that you saw on my bed onto my chair and then wash my sheets because as I'm getting over this sickness, I haven't washed my sheets yet from being sick, so I need to do that. Okay, Kaylee, stop talking, just do it. majority of this is pretty much good now. Obviously I'm still gonna go through all my clothes and stuff. The reason this isn't hanging up is because I need to sew a hole that's in the back seam. And then I have to go through all of these like t-shirts and stuff like that because I have a whole other drawer of t-shirts in here that I really don't need all of them. But that's gonna be something for when I try on all the clothes in my closet anyways. I went ahead and organized this bin and then this area a little bit. It looks a little bit cleaner because there's not like a giant bag here for one of my box lights. And then this I did a while ago. I got a new makeup organizer, and then I actually have lipstick organizers that are down at the bottom. And then yeah, that's pretty much all I did. I need to clean the hell out of this because it's super dusty. And then the bed is made, but the sheets aren't even done washing, so I just made it kind of temporarily. And then, yeah, so the sheets actually just got done washing, so I'm gonna put them in the dryer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean my bathroom because it looks kind of crusty right now too. Everything is done except for the living room. So I need to take down our bum Christmas tree, put all the ornaments away, and then kind of reset the furniture, because normally this chair actually sits in this corner, and then we have this basket and stuff kind of next to the wall here. And with the chair over here, there's like no space to walk, especially with Theodore's big ass. So I need to move the chair back to where the tree is, put the tree away, and then everything will be back to normal. Woo! So we got the majority of it back to normal. I have to figure out where a couple of things are gonna go because I don't know where they're gonna go. Theodore, I don't know where you're gonna go. Hi, Bean. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, really? Oh, thanks. What you doing? Oh, meow, huh? So this is the way that this side normally looks. Remember, the chair was over here before. And then I moved the chair back over. So now the last part that I have to put away is the rest of this area. So the blanket is completely messed up. All the pillows are everywhere. Theodore, I really don't know where you're gonna go. That is Lex's boyfriend's Dutch cup that has been here since Sunday, so that's really cool. And then I have Sour Patch Kids back there too. So she's very excited that the tree's gone. So we're just continuing to organize once more. And I don't really know how this is gonna go. I think it'll be fine. Oh, she about to go buck wild. Sis, are you well? Nope, you are not. That's the tea. I also need to dust all of the furnishings because they look disgusting right now. Okay. Excuse you. I'm feeling really good about the progress that I have made so far. Obviously the dryer just went off, but I have cleaned my room. I put new wallflowers in, and then I cleaned, well, I didn't clean the counter because it's still kind of crusty, but I at least picked up the flowers that were in here. And then I obviously organized the whole living room. So I am going to go downstairs now and pick up a couple of packages and then a letter from my dad. And then I'm gonna come back up and see what all I need to do outside of the house, like running errands and stuff like that. And then I'll be back when I figure out what else I need to do. Yeah. Welcome to day 2 of getting my life together. Yesterday, I planned on doing this whole thing, and then my boyfriend decided to come over, and I didn't get anything else done yesterday. So today, I'm going to finish all the stuff that I was supposed to do yesterday. I need to film the video of me trying on every single piece of clothing that I own, and then I need to finish running some errands. And right now, I don't really want to film, so I think I'm going to run the errands and then come back and film. What time is it? It's almost noon. I had to schedule an Instagram post this morning, so that's kind of like what I've been doing this morning, and I'm literally wearing like the same outfit that I was yesterday. I'm just wearing a black shirt instead of a white shirt. And then, what else have I done this morning? I got ready. That's all I did. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and just put shoes on and then go ahead and go to the mall because I still need an eyebrow pencil. Let's just go. Let's just go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we're going. Okay, bye. Bag secured. I also got a lipstick because I have no self-control. I made it out alive. Basically, I just went to Ulta and then I went to Michael's as well because I have coupons that are expiring at the end of the month or something, and I haven't found anything to buy yet. So I went to Ulta and I got my stuff. The eyebrow pencil that I always use, if you guys don't watch my makeup videos, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and then I'm in the shade dark brown because obviously my roots are very dark. My hair is blonde. And then I also picked up a lipstick because it was on sale for $5. I always just use the Ulta lipsticks, and I didn't have this color. It's called Sugar and Spice, so it's kind of a little bit of like a, you cannot see. My nails look horrible, so I'm trying to hide them. This is Sugar and Spice, so it's a little bit of like a brownie pink kind of thing that we got going on here. And then when I went to Michael's, I actually got this basket right here to go on top of my laundry machine because I have these laundry bags that I keep in a plastic bag right now, and it's really just not easy to like rifle through them for the right size, and they don't go back in there very easily because we bought a couple of extra ones that don't fit in the original bag that they came in. So I decided that I wanted to just get this and then stick it all of the bags in there. And then the best part about it was I didn't know that it was 50% off. So originally it was supposed to be 10 bucks and then it was 50% off somehow, and then I had a $5 coupon, so it literally came out to 39 cents. Like, I paid 39 cents for this basket. And I'm really happy about that purchase, honestly, because I did need it and it worked out really well. So now I'm gonna go get myself Chick-fil-A, and then we are gonna go back home because it's 1 o'clock right now, and then I'm probably going to try to start filming my video. I have some laundry in the laundry machine in the washing machine right now, so I need to make sure that all of those clothes get dried before I can actually start filming, or if I do start filming, I'll just film everything else and then try to film those when they're done washing. I just posted an Instagram photo, the one that was scheduled for today, so I didn't actually post it, my software posted it. And then I need to engage with everybody that is going to comment on that, but I can do that when I get home and it'll be fine. I'm back. I got Chick-fil-A and then proceeded to eat all of it on the drive home. So Chick-fil-A's gone. I'm going to put everything that I need to into this basket and then put the basket away and then switch my laundry over. This is what I was talking about before. I literally have these bags, but they just all kind of like flop in here, and this bag doesn't even close anymore, so it's kind of pointless to have it in there in the first place. So I'm gonna switch them all into here, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started with filming my video. So this is the setup that we got going on. Literally have everything out in the living room, and I'm starting off with my shirts for this video. I have a lot of clothes that I need to go through. I'm gonna put a mirror probably leaning up against this window over here so that I can like see what I'm trying on. And I am gonna go through every single piece of clothing that I have and decide if I want to keep it or donate it or sell it. I'm gonna go ahead and start filming. I literally have on Spanx and a sports bar right now. I am literally so tired after filming that video. Y'all have no idea. That took so freaking long. It's literally like 5 p.m. and I started at 2. So I have a whole pile of stuff right here that I'm actually going to be selling to you guys, and you guys can see exactly which things those are in the video. I'm going to try to take pictures of everything right now, and then I am going to, or tomorrow morning, I'm going to get up and try to do that, and then I am going to try to upload them all to my Depop the day before, and then on the day of the video, the link to all of the pieces is going to be in the description box of the video. I need to go ahead and tear all of this setup down now, and then for the rest of today I will probably be editing. I still need to go through all my graphic tees, but that's not going to take too long. I already know pretty much exactly which ones I want to get rid of and then which ones I want to keep. This is the new project. I have a lot of t-shirts and tank tops in this drawer that I have no use for, literally, so I need to clean out some of these, and then I have a whole stack right here that I need to get rid of, or I need to go through as well. So these are the t-shirts that I am going to just donate. Most of them are just like plain old t-shirts that have like graphic prints and stuff on them that I don't want anymore. And then this is how the inside of the drawer turned out. I flipped this whole thing this way because it fit a whole lot more, and now I have space for more of my black ones over here or my more worn ones, so this might get messed up, but right now it's in color code order. So this is what that looks like, and I'm really excited about that because I can fit so many things in there now. So I don't know that you can see really, but I got rid of a solid third of my clothes. This many hangers was not there before. From about here to here, I actually had clothes instead of hangers. So all of these are now over in those piles right there. That's the pile that I'm giving away right there. And then that's the pile that I'm selling right there. And then that's the pile that I'm just like giving away to Goodwill or something. I still have to go through my shoes and everything as well, but I think I'm gonna save that for a different time, or I'm just gonna do it off camera just because your girl's getting tired. So this is a long ass vlog. You can see Ting Ting ASMR right here. Hey Ting Ting, what's going on? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and watching me struggle to organize. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video as well, because that took me freaking all day to film. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. If you guys like this style of vlog, if you like vlogs, let me know in the comments. I know this one doesn't really have anything to do with like college or anything, but I thought it was fun. Let me know what you guys want to see from me from now on. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.